Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a pack opening in Blackett. It's 7,000 tokens I traded for my Tim. So let's get opening. Alright, not that bad. So this is a 7,000 token opening. Why did I click the Sci-Fi pack? What the? Alright, we didn't get a chroma yet. We're not getting really lucky today. That's what I don't like. Because I just traded my Tim. For 7,000 tokens. As you see, you need Insta open off. These are all 0.1% chance, and then the 0.01% chance of getting this, and remember astronaut 0.05. So I think I'm actually going to switch it up a notch today. I'm actually going to do the Blizzard pack. Let's go. Alright, here we go. We're probably just going to get all the uncommons, all that stuff. We haven't gotten a chroma yet. No chroma. But legendary, okay. Yeah, legendary. Another legendary. Another epic, so like that's 3 epics, 2 legendaries. No chromas yet. Alright, another epic. But we need a chroma or a mystical. I really want a chroma or a mystical. Because I really want to make my mystical back. I really, really want hamster claws. Oh my god. Are you serious? It's lagging. Alright. So 4,000 tokens left. Wizard pack, let's go. We're not getting really lucky today. Oh my lordy lord. It's just being annoying. It's just being annoying. Oh my god. Alright, here. Now it's not being annoying. Alright, let's go. Oh my god, it's still being annoying. It's still being annoying. It's being annoying. Here, hold on a sec. Let me just real quick. Not YouTube. Blackett.org. Alright, here we go. 4,000 tokens left. Let's continue this opening. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. I really want a chroma or just like another or a mystical. Chroma or mystical, I'll be happy with that. Because I have literally no chromas in this pack. Or mysticals. I have no chromas or mythicals. And 2 epics in a row? Okay. So, alright. I'm not getting that lucky. We're not getting lucky. Even though there's a booster, yeah, we're not getting lucky at all, dude. We are not getting lucky. We haven't gotten a chroma yet. I haven't gotten a chroma yet or a mystical. I'm just kind of insane because I traded my Tim. I really want my mystical back. I really want to make my mystical back. I want to get a Alright! We got a chroma! Here we go, our first chroma. Blending Snow Globe. I really want to make my tokens back. I really want to make my Tim. Another one? Yo, this is insane. I really want to make my mystical back by getting another mystical. I really want to get another mystical so I can make my Tim the Alien back. My Tim the Alien I traded, so I think I'm gonna have to get that luck back. Tim the Alien I traded for 7,000 tokens so I can do this opening. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. You gotta be kidding me. It's lagging out again. Oh my god. It's lagging out again. This game sometimes decides to be annoying, and now I have to go back into another page. Alright, 2,000 tokens left. Let's see if we can maybe we can get a mystical. Get our mystical back. Because I got that one with no booster. Maybe we can get our mystical back. I don't know. Okay, another legendary. 2 legendaries in a row? What? Alright. We need our mythical back. 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 Come on, we need our mythical. We need our mythical back. We literally need our mythical back if we really, really want to join like a clan or something. Alright, 1,000 tokens left. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get on the last 1,000 tokens. Alright, 500 tokens left. Let's see what we can get for the Blizzard pack. All right. All right. Last pack. Last pack. We've made it. All right. Please have a mystical. Please have a mystical, dude. No. All right. I hope you guys have a good day and yeah, bye.